How to fix Discord notifications not working on your iPhone. So if you're not receiving notifications, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to solve this issue. Now, first go and load up the Discord app on your phone. You then need to click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then you need to hold down on your profile picture. Make sure your online status is set to online, and then click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. Now scroll all the way down to notifications and click on this. Make sure get notifications within Discord is turned on. You can then scroll down to other notifications, make sure this is also turned on. Make sure reaction notifications is set to all messages, and then we can scroll back up to the top and click on get notifications outside of Discord. Click on notifications, make sure this is turned on, and then go and check the boxes next to lock screen, notification center, and banners. Click on the drop down next to banner style and select persistent. Make sure sounds and badges is turned on, and then you can close out of this window. Open back up the Discord app, and if there's one specific server that you're not receiving notifications in, then you can go and click on that server. You can click on the server name at the top of this page, click on notifications, make sure all messages is turned on, and then scroll down and make sure mobile push notifications is also turned on. Once you've done this, you should now be receiving Discord notifications.